This is a 1976 Dodge B200 Tradesman custom van. So typical of the vans that were zooming around in the 70s. Notice the neat graphic there on the side and the porthole window. Nice two-toning involved here, a nice custom interior. The car companies would provide the chassis and the body, essentially the bare bones body, to these customizing companies, and they would install custom interior. Very, very nice result. And this is just so typical of the kind of vans that were being produced at the time. And everybody was into that. Chevy, Ford, Dodge. This is a great example, and I'll show you what they usually had. Curtains on the windows, there you see, and wooden paneling, a lot of wooden paneling inside the van, and shag carpet, and a table there, and you see a seat in the back that could be made into a bed. And they even had the shag carpet in the interior of the door there. Just typical. My guess is it probably has a 318 cubic inch engine. Very, very well preserved. Nice looking van. So common back in the day.